So guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your phone menu and now scroll down and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it. When you tap on it to open it, what you have to do is to search for apps and notifications. Tap on it when you find it. Now tap on the see your apps over here, then wait for it to load. After loading, try to search for your Snapchats. When your apps are a lot, just tap on the search bar at the top right corner and type in Snap. And you're going to see your Snapchat pop up over here. So just tap on it. Then after that, tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission. Now go back and tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. Tap on the storage and cache. Then tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on, which is very necessary. Go back now, tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. So just move through to see everything is on. So when everything is on, you go back. Then now what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it, and after that, tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. When Snapchat appears like this, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on update over here. But when you can't find update, but rather you can find open over here, as you can see open, just leave it like that and tap on your power button for some while. And you're going to see this. So what you have to do is to tap on the store restart. Then after that, you tap on OK, and it's going to restart automatically. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.